Hello everyone, I'm Kishi. Let's fold a phone stand today. A phone stand will let us do something else while we are on our phone since it keeps our hands free. A phone stand could help us become more productive. Now let's begin. Please get a sheet of paper that is a little thicker than normal copying paper. If the paper you have is thinner, use layers of the paper. Place the white side facing up with the longer edges at the top and bottom. Fold the paper in half by matching the bottom edge to the top edge. Crease well since the paper is a little thicker. Unfold it. For the bottom edge to the middle line that you have just created, crease the mounting fold well again. For the top edge to the middle line, crease well. Fold the paper in half by matching the right side edge to the left side edge, crease well. Then unfold it. For the left side edge to the middle line, crease well. Turn over the paper, then rotate it to the right until you get the shorter side at the top and bottom. Fold the bottom edge upward along the line, which is about an inch or 2.5 centimeters away from the edge. Turn over the paper again. Fold along the line which is about an inch or 2.5 centimeters away from the new bottom edge so that the original bottom edge becomes the bottom edge again. Open the pocket at the bottom of the top part. Unfold the bottom part and insert it up to the crease line. The phone stand looks like this when we look at it from the sides. Then fold the bottom part in half to make a tray to hold the phone. You may want to use a stapler or strong glue to make it more stable if you want to. Now your cell phone stand is complete. Why don't you make another one and give it to your friend or family as a present? I'm sure that they would be delighted to have one too. Thank you for folding a cell phone stand together with us. I hope you enjoyed it. Please subscribe if you like it. I'll see you in the next video.